Nothing kills momentum faster than clicking a link and landing on a default 404 page not found screen. But this error doesn't have to be a missed opportunity. We can actually turn it into a helpful, on-brand moment for users that helps reduce frustration and shows that we've thought about every detail, even the moments that aren't supposed to happen. Set one up in Framer, just open the Pages panel, click the plus icon, and select New 404 Page from the dropdown. This creates a brand new page that we can customize and design however we want. And once published, Framer automatically detects and displays this page anytime someone visits a broken or missing link from our site. When designing a 404 page, make sure to keep it simple, clear, and most of all, helpful. It should let visitors know what happened, but more importantly, guide them to what's next. And always make sure to keep it visually consistent with the rest of the site. That familiarity helps keep users knowing they're still in the right place. And if it fits your brand, add a bit of personality. I know a custom 404 page might seem like a small detail, but it's one of those moments that shows how much you care about the experience you're designing. So don't leave it blank. Design with purpose and make even the errors feel intentional. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.